Over 40 years ago, Russ Brown set out on a mission to help injured.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Snyders, or near Comaqua, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Nesquehoning, Broadheadsville, New Manning, Gilbert, Lake Harmony, Albrightsville, Christcheville, Sun Valley, Jonas, McCassville, Beltsville State Park, Blakesley, Penn Forest Reservoir, Christmans, Lansford, Summit Hill and Bowmanstown.
Company deny your claim.
Call 1-800-WIN-WIN-1, the law offices of Metzger Wickersham, right now.
Be ready for the storm before it hits. Watch your weather authority tonight on the Fox 56 News, first at 10. So you think you can dance tonight at 8 on Fox 56.